Alright, these are the elevators here at the Sutton Place Hotel here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And we've got some CKG traction elevators. These elevators have floor numbers on both sides, and they also have double panels. Here's a look at your cab. I like the finishing. It looks pretty neat. Here we are at the lobby. And check this out. For a new elevator, this has a little bit of classic leveling. So that's pretty neat. And we're gonna go up to 12 and end the video there. I don't know if these are high-rise or if they are regular traction. There's a look at your keycard instructions, and there's your scanner for your keycard. Here's a quick look at your fixtures, and that will be it.